Hey guys, so we are gonna see how we can change branding of Brave browser. So I am building for Android, so this is Linux machine, and I have already done the branding. So you can see here. First, I replaced Brave space dash with my browser name is icon, so I replaced it with icon space dash. Then I replaced about space brave with about space icon, and then I replaced brave space browser with uh, icon space browser, and then I replaced brave space others with brave icon space others. Then I replaced some manual, but you don't have to do, because you can just replace it everywhere. uh, from here you have to write here brave, and then replace the browser name that you want to have it, and then you can specify which files you do not want to uh, apply this on, but maybe you don't need to write this at all. And then you will click on here. Here will be a button to replace in all files. Actually here, this button, replace all button, and when you click, Brave will be replaced everywhere with the icon or your browser name. And then you will have to write some commands that to include the changes only that we want, and not all files. We So we will write git add dash dash, and then the file extension name that we want to keep, and then we will do the grdp and xdb and json. So we only want to keep these files names, and then we do git stash dash k. So this will only keep the files that have the name changes, and not the files that will break your browser. So that's all, and then you can just build the browser and it will work. That's all for today, and if you want to see how to download the Brave browser source code or the Chromium browser source code, or how to modify some other things in the browsers. I have made some videos on those as well, so you can see them. I will link the playlist here. And thank you for watching, and subscribe, like, and install my extensions as well if you like them. I have a web downloader on the Chrome store, and which downloads all files from our website on the local machine, so you can use them later. And I have a jokes extension that shows your jokes, and extension that automatically sends messages on WhatsApp in bulk, so you can use that extension for marketing purposes and stuff. I will link all of those extensions below in the description, and thank you for watching again. And if you want to develop some software like these, or the extensions, or the browser, or automation in browsers, or anything related to browser, you can just message me, and I will make it happen.